Hello, welcome to Lucky MJ Slots. We are in Hartford, Michigan at Four Winds Casino, and I just got the Ultra Spin bonus and the extra spins on the Firecracker game. So let's hit the button and see what happens. Come on. Land anywhere. There we go. There we go. I just seen the miner flashing. Come on. There we go. And that bird gives us more money. An extra $1. Nice. Another extra $1, extra $2, extra $1 there. Let's keep it going. And those are the progressives right up there, if anybody was wondering. Come on, bird. An extra $2. Extra $1 there. Come on, we need one. There we go. Extra $2. Let's keep it going. An extra $3. Wow, another extra $3. Wow. There we go. Ooh, I just think I've seen the $40 ball go by. There we go. Yeah. And I only started with $80, so this is a great bonus so far. Come on, land. Nope. And we'll see what that adds up to. A $72 win, we'll take that. And I only started with $80. And this is a nice bonus so far, and we just arrived like 5 minutes ago, so I'll take it. And that brings my ticket up to $136.99. We'll be back if we get anything else. Thank you for watching Lucky MJ Slots. Have a good one.